I don't think I need to say much except I want Philly cheesesteak. I've got a griddle, I'm ready to go, and I'm taking you along with me.
I've got my thinly shaved steak, red and green peppers, onions. My blackstone is heating up with some oil, and I am cooking that veg down first to give it some color and some time. Then the steak goes on, and I'm spreading it out and seasoning it with just salt. But my friends, participation time, please enter in the comments and tell me what you season your steak with for this sandwich. I think salt worked so beautifully, but I wonder, should I be adding maybe some other garlic seasonings or some steak spice maybe? Either way, this worked great. I added some sharp cheddar into the mix, some provolone on top afterwards. I'm toasting my buns with garlic butter and then closing the lid for that cheese to melt. This came together so beautifully for such a simple combination and simple cook. I love the textures, the colors, the flavors. Oh my goodness, I'm doing this again for sure.
Yummy. I'm absolutely in love with these. I love Philly cheesesteak. I love that I can make a whole pile of them myself, melt that cheese. I want to know, is there anything that you do specifically for Philly cheesesteak to just make them that much better? Let me know in the comments. I love trying new stuff. I love changing it up, and I know I'm making these again. Thank you so much for watching The Silly Kitchen. Till next time.